welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. I just really felt like doing something kind of like summer glow because it's like freaking hot right now in California. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to do something glowy and kind of summery and just like, I don't know, just something kind of cute, you know, kind of cute. So this is the look that I came up with today. It's perfect for spring, it's perfect for summer, it's perfect for pretty much any occasion. But yeah, so anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with the brows, and I'm using this Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. This has been my go-to brow product lately. I just love how natural the finish is when you use this pencil to fill in your brows. It looks really natural, and I'm just really into natural brows lately. So I just use it to fill in a little bit of an arc in my brows, and then also to fill in the front of my brow. And I brush that out, especially in the front, just to give it a nice kind of ombre effect. And then to prep the skin, I'm using this oil from Dermalogica. It is good to give your skin a nice luminous glow, so I just pat that into the skin. And for primer, I'm using this luminizing primer from Dr. Brandt. I'm just going to apply that all over the face and then blend that in with my fingers. And then for foundation, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm just going to apply that with the applicator that is on the cap of the bottle, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of Tarte liquid highlighter. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that liquid highlighter in little dollops, I guess you could call them, around my face, just to make the finish of the foundation a little more glowy. I've only tried this foundation a few times, but so far I like it. The color is a little off for my skin tone, but it's a pretty good match. The coverage is very nice, but I haven't been able to really test it, so I can't say so far if it's a hit or miss, but so far so good. And I'm just blending that out all over the face with my beauty blender. Also, the foundation was like $6, so if you're looking at it from a price standpoint, it's nice. And then for concealer, I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer to basically conceal my under eye circles, and I'm also just highlighting the face. So I'm applying that to the bridge of my nose, forehead, and chin. And I'm just going in with that same damp beauty blender and blending that all out. And this is just going to help add dimension to the face. And then I'm going to set all of that with my RCMA No Color Powder. This is a really nice setting powder for all skin tones. It just basically sets in place all of the work that you just did, and it prevents your makeup from creasing and looking cakey. And then I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush after that's been sitting on my face for a few minutes and just brush off the excess powder. And then, very important, always take your damp beauty blender and go over the areas where you had powder. It absorbs the excess powder and will prevent flashback. And I also take a bit of that powder and just set the eyelids as well. That way my eyelids are ready for eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow today, I'm using the Harmony eyeshadow palette from Creative Soul Cosmetics. And I'm just going to take this Sienna shade, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corners of my eyes as well as the crease, just kind of using it as a nice transition shade. And I'm just blending that out with a nice big fluffy brush. And then taking the shade Coffee, I'm going to just add a little bit of dimension to the eyes. So I'm going to apply that to the outer corner and kind of blend that into the crease a little bit, just to make sure that everything looks nice and seamless. And then I'm going to use this cream eyeshadow from Milk Makeup, and I'm just using this as a base for the shimmer eyeshadow that I'm going to put over top. So I'm just going to apply that with a flat shader brush, and then I'm going to go in with the Champagne shade from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that over top. And using the base just makes the eyeshadow stand out way more, and it also gives a nice foiled effect. And then for the lower lash line, I'm basically just going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to use sienna all over the lower lash line, and then add a little bit of coffee just to the outer corner of the lower lash line, and a little bit of champagne to the inner corner. And then I'm going to add a little bit of winged eyeliner, just a little baby wing, and just lining the entire eye, just so that my eyelash band is hidden, and also just to kind of tie the look together. And I'm using my favorite eyeliner from the Balm. I'll link it down below. You guys already know. And then just applying a little bit of mascara. I did apply some glue on my falsies, so while that dries, I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. Starting with this Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm, I'm just going to start bronzing up the skin, basically carving out the cheekbones and adding it all around my forehead to give myself a sun-kissed glow. And then for blush, I'm using my favorite Becca Cosmetics Tigerlily Luminous blush. And I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones all the way back to my hairline. And then going in with this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and then just right above the arc of each brow, just to give my face a really nice summery glow. My eyelashes are ready to go. The glue is tacky, so I'm just going to apply my false lashes. These are the Inspired lashes from Creative Soul Cosmetics. I'm just going to apply those as close to my lash line as possible using a pair of tweezers. And then for the lips, I'm going to use just a really nice matte nude shade from Covergirl. Alright guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what you think down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials and just makeup and beauty related videos. So anyways, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!